BJP announces Thongam Biswajit as BJP candidate for Thongju and Kate Joykishan for Thangweban by-elections. Khetrigao MLA Amin Shah assured of joining people's agitation against the closure of Pong Road, says JAC. And Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam says DIPR must precisely inform what government does for the welfare of the people. Hello and welcome to Impact News. I'm watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandra Wangkimcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. BJP today announced the name of candidates for the upcoming by-elections of Thongju and Thangweban Assembly constituencies scheduled on November 21. BJP Manipur Pradesh President T.H. Chaub announced that Thongam Biswajit will be BJP candidate in Thongju and Kate Joykishan in Thangweban Assembly constituency. T.H. Chaub also maintained that BJP will fight the by-elections for a new and corruption-free Manipur. 11-member election campaign committee and 7-member media committee were also formed for the elections. Mention may be made that Dr. Sapam Dhananjoy also sought candidature from Thongju Assembly constituency, while only Kate Joykishan applied for BJP candidature from Thangweban.
Party asigi President Oiriba Amit Shah ji na soi tawduna approve tawraga pirakpa adugumba candidate ani madudi mingoina panjarabada Thangweban asigi Kate Joykishan Singh Thongju Kendra gi oina Shri T.H. Biswajit Singh Mai Pakani Habaki Tajabado Yamna Wang Lay Akogi Motodi corruption Lehendaba Yamna Sput Doiba Adugumba Sakara Manipur Langnavi Maru Hulanaba good governance Lenaba Honava election fight Togani.
Khetrigao MLA Amin Shah will join the JAC agitations if JNIM's authority fail to reopen the Pong Road. Speaking to media at Kongpal Social Development Organization Club, JAC co-convener Ningthojam Debeshwar said MLA Amin Shah came and talked to representatives of the JAC today and assured that he, along with the MLAs of Yai School, Wangkai, Lamlai, Andro and Khundrakpum, will press the government for the demand. Amin Shah even assured of resigning from MLA if the aspiration of the people is not met. Debeshwar also said that JAC welcomed the request of JNIM's student union but appealed to bear until the road is not reopened. JAC convener El Toma warned that JAC will not hold any talk with the government if the proposed talk with the Chief Minister fail tomorrow. El Toma also appealed all concerned not to repeat the violent act that took place at the residence of MLA NG Bijoy yesterday.
CM Unanabagi Hayeng Si Sinbada MLA Bijoy Amadi MLA Biren Mahak Masayauna Punna JAC gi Musinga Uminanabagi Wapamso Tambirami. JAC na Miamgi Awana Kangavanate Ana laengi oiro satok chachin doiro koi awana khangdaba nate adubu poglambi phatri phawbadi khongjang haloi miyamna su mating pangbiu loina na anaba yengba lakpiganu amadi staff singna su normal duty thadokpiduna JAC na sangjaliba khongjang chida saugat pinaba JAC gi maike degi phongdokchari.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam today kicked off photo contest to come exhibition and 3-day photography workshop organized by Department of Information and Public Relations DIPR at its complex at Moirangkong. Speaking at the event, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam said DIPR should precisely inform the people about the programs and projects taken up for the welfare of the people. And there is nothing that cannot be informed with the development of information technology. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee President K. Theri, Deputy Director General, Film Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Joshi Joseph, officials of DIPR among others attended the event. 86 photographers are taking part in the photo contest to come exhibition.
Information and culture journalism side by side journalism and journalism photography importance of photography and photo mummy preservation important. Okay.
After reports of finding 87 graves of members of Manipur Labour Corps whom British Army took during the First World War in Europe, Egypt and Yemen, family of Puntanling Singlay, whose grave was found at Saint Siva Cemetery Extension, Rouen, France, approached the Second World War Infalt Campaign Foundation. Puntaleng Singlai joined Manipur Labour Corps in 1917 and went to France following an agreement between the then King Churchan Singh and the British political agent Lieutenant Colonel H.W.G. called to recruit 2,000 Manipuri and fight along with the British in the First World War. Co-founder of the Second World War Infal Campaign Foundation, Yunam Rajasur handed the photos of Puntaleng Singlai's grave and memorial to his son, Sonerang Singlai, at the press meet. Yunam Rajasur said identities of those brave Manipuris who fought in the First World War are not known due to lack of records. Sonerang Singlai also showed war medal, plague and condolence message sent by British King George and expressed his desire to go to France and pay homage at his late father's grave.
First World War gi mi lising ani mu Europe ta ningthau Churchan Maharaj ki matamda Labour Corps oina British ki mating pang bon chatki wajing duda phanam halakre yam halakre hai tai ado sigi myam ju yawe ado moi gi grave jing dudi ngasi bawa krai leibno krai phumam bano aduna ta krai da moi where about kanam khangde ado sum thi bada ina grave recording thi matamda 87 grave phangma ngame Europe ki countries jing amadi Yemen da Egypt da Italy France na maximum phange
yam nungaye ekhoi te mase khangdana adumang khidra ina khalamme adu shan san ne badagi antaksi asumai la hana ekhoi sun pa na kha phona ba mrum pa na mating kha phang ba adu tamakta asi asumai la hana pau ta bada yam nungaye.
Department of Physical Education and Sports Science, Manipur University is organizing a 3-day national seminar on new challenges of physical education and sports science in 21st century from tomorrow. The seminar is being organized in association with National Association of Physical Education and Sports Science, where President and other members of the NAPESS will take part. In a press meet today at Department of Physical Education and Sports Science, Manipur University, President of NAPESS Professor P. Chinnappa Reddy said young scholars, professors and students will benefit with advanced knowledge about sports science from the seminar.
We are extremely happy. On behalf of NAPESS, I welcome this idea of conducting this conference for the first time in Northeast area with all the enthusiasm and support given by the Vice Chancellor. We are extremely happy to see that this conference will go in the way that we will have an academic exchange program with the participants who are coming from all over India.
26th Loktak Ningsing Numit was observed today at Loktak Lairembi Lampak Thanga. The observation was organized by Loktak Day Celebration Committee under the aegis of Loktak Lake Development Organization. The observation kicked off with the ritual offerings to Loktak Lairembi. The day has been observing since 1990 with an objective of protecting the lake. Royal Riders Manipur also took out a bike rally from Sega Road, Takhil Mamlekai to Loktak, carrying the message of safeguarding the lake. A book titled Loktak Isha Mapal, written by Vice Principal of Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School, K.H. Sanayama, was also released on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Commerce and Industry Minister Govindas Konthozum said it needs effort from everyone to protect the Loktak Lake.
Ubirang mani paikali bathabak sing sina Loktak asikan mangam godauri bra ngamloi dauri bra Loktak sigi mapunsi si sahi kaya sakhi gani sarkar khakda inthopuna Loktak kan ba oibe yaroi akhoi pumnamak khusam naraba matungda Loktak kan ba yagani natragadi Loktak kan ba se oithokpa ngamoy Loktak sangduna leibadi Loktak ki akoi bada leiriba aigi nungsijaraba praja singna Loktak sangbani sarkarna Loktak sangmana.
Global Iron Deficiency Disorder Prevention Day was observed today at IMA Lamphilpar. The observation was organized by National Health Mission IDD Cell with an aim to generate awareness about the adequate use of iron and to highlight the consequence of iron deficiency. Prizes were also distributed to the winners of students' sport painting competition held on the theme Iron Deficiency Disorders are irreversible and preventable during the observation. Speaking on an occasion, Director of Health Services and State Mission Director Dr. O. Ibomcha said 90% of iron is found in a glass of milk, potato and egg, and the remaining 10% of iron can be made up by consuming iodized salt.
No, mada lo maga gerum maga sangong glass ang nasar gadi iodine darkar lebsi 90% khange 10% ona iodine salt de la adum yare anga pokko atamda iodine salt zade maitai thungsa dra koi mapa kai the de yobi maitai thungsi de masigi salt se han singida karigino mahana iodine salt daga masig pijen narmese aduga aikoi gi rock salt ki ninge de ke de local ki mapa sidana iodine se kyam yaw result se akoi thido gom changani.
Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada in a meeting held in association with the Nongbram Awang Lekai Development Committee at Nongbram Awang Lekai Community Hall resolved to protest the proposed distillation of liquor in Manipur under license. The meeting was held as part of Kada's ongoing campaign against alcohol and drugs. Spokesperson at the meeting questioned how far income generated from the taxations on liquor can help in the annual budget of 5,000 crore rupees of the state. Instead of commissioning various projects and industries, government is rather interested in liquor, which will kill many innocents. All Manipur Bar Association condoled the sudden demise of senior advocate N. Pramod Chandra. Amba in a press release said a condolence meeting was today held at the office of Amba at Chairap Court Complex and observed 2-minute silence as mark of respect to the departed soul. Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Lai Mayum Surjakanta today asserted that the film industry in Manipur may vanish if stockists sell duplicate copies of films instead of original copies. Speaking to media at office of Forum at Shankar Talkies, Lamphilpant, Surjakanta said such practices not only incur loss to producers but also all of the film fraternity. Film Forum yesterday confiscated duplicate copies of around 16 films from sub-stockists located at Nambol, Bishnupur and Moirang during a drive. Surjakanta appealed to all concerned to stop such malpractices. Campaigning for the by-elections of Thangleiban and Thongju Assembly constituencies scheduled on 21st of next month is getting momentum. Voters in both the constituencies expect a sudden development work from their representatives. Ramananda Slaisantang brings by-election special. Who will be your MLA? Let's take a look at what the voters of both the constituencies have to say about the upcoming poll.
Vote haibasi number game ni voter khwaidagi masing yamna phangbaduna akhoi vote asi ka doribani akhoi adubu hariba vote lep ka doriba candidate asina karamna voter masing yamna phanggadoribana haibasina achoba wahang ama oiri adubu who will be your MLA haina na handagi impact TV na thatharakba special media campaign nangi MLA kanana oigani haiba asi campaign asi dai khoina voter singda hangbada makhoina nong matai khoigi vote ta paisa lawi swai haide huji mung yengsi moi vote ta paisa lawbra lawdabra hi matangda
khoidi handaki vote se ko candidate se yaudi yaure khoi thada da mi se ko khoi bu sembi riba khoigi sembi bam pham da khoidi vote piba se khoigi thawni
aduna mangonda pulap pidana mangonda support awani mangonda oina ka tawjarani
Kota pasaya na tingba adagi thada ba ta khachan chak chana ba khona ba je akhoi aigi mota di maji chupam pam de
party di yengwa akhoi afaba mi yenga candidate masa yenga thada gane khoina pamjai se party nairaga su Manipur di party naiba naidaban leitana akhoi leibak mayam gi seba tongmi do adu darkar oi adu tuna akhoi party masu yengjaroi
taunari ba ani sigi manungda amadi aduki matik wak tawre aduna mangonda koi support tawge na khali
akhoi di paisa nuksa gi wali ko akhoi di paisa jo amta lawjaroi
mai magi agent khaidong nei dana ko amagi ora amagera madera agent du da khoina akhoi sarukti akhoi lawjaroi noi pi gi ba khaba laijaba lawning ba mi lawjagi jano khari lawjaroi akhoi adu gumbadi pamde
aina hojik leire bisina Thongju kendra dani akhoi gi Thongju kendra gi mongkhang lambi mapa dani hojik
पैसा पीबसी यामना फते मसी आइगी मोता हारगदी मसी पैसा सुंगलो लोदना हारिबा कैंडिडेट अखोइना थादगदोरिबा कैंडिडेट से कर्म मीनो आइदु खंगगा
थोदनोना मसागी इनरविटी मसागी नुंगोइबा फजबदो मपान थोना चिंथोकपा ngamba लीडर ओइगदाबने मागी हाइसिंगबा फजबा अचुंबा सेंगबदो प्रजादा चपचाना शेयर तोबा ngamba ओइगदाबने माना पैसाना खुदोल पट पीरगा महाकी भोट लैरगा भोट कागनी हाइबा वाखलसी कैंडिडेट सिंगसु खनबिरोइदबने
कैंडिडेट से पैसा से लौदे लौनिंदे अदो कयना हुजिक कैंडिडेट ना पैसा लौगी मतमदा हयंग माना कारगदी मा पैसा दो तानिंगकनी
आई पामजब कैंडिडेट मी दी फगदब लेबाक की फगदब मसाइदे आइना वोट पिनिंग पैसा की लुपा लमनिंग
मणिपुर गन कल्चर तोसे अफब खुनाय पुरंग होनसे अहल लमन लकाई पाली मणिपुर पाली
लों के रोम नमदगा पैसा फंगे काय पाउ तबी
अदुमक्तु होय ताब यावी तादब यावी अदो
अदुना अखोगी हुजिक थोंजु केंद्र की प्रजा सिंह पामी बसी अखोगी इलेक्शन असिदा पैसा यावदना सक्सा हाइजानदना यामना नियम चुम्बा इलेक्शन अमा पांथोक पाइप्सनी हना पांथोकदिरबा नबेम्बर की तांकुर मासर पांथोकदिरबा बाय इलेक्शन असिना थोंजु केंद्र अमसुंग अखोगी थमेबन केंद्र दा पांथोकदिरबा इलेक्शन असी नियम चुमना पांथोतुना मसिना लाखदरिबा तुंगकोइ पांथोकदिरबा इलेक्शन सिंगी एग्जांपल ओमा ओइना यामना नियम चुम्बा अचुम्बा मिहुत अमा खनबा केंद्र निमकी प्रजाना हौजि फावबा ओइना पामले कैमरा पर्सन पीबो बोगले रामांदले सांगकेम इंपैक्ट न्यूज ओक्रम चुथेक
Kanglei Park Students Association today banned the election of Thambal Marik College Students Union unless teachers of the college stop indulging in malpractices in nominating candidates. Speaking to media, HRD Secretary of KSA Angauton Kuman said the ban was imposed as 2 candidates were wrongly nominated against the election guidelines by college authority. Any attempt to hold election will face with their consequences.
ngasi Thambal Marik College da koi sahi 13 tagina 19 fawgi manungda leiba mairosingna contest tawgadami haiba asi na thairaga sahi helamba mairosing bol lefhala magidamakta haiba college asida matam chupagi oina election tawba kesena thingjale election tawge hairabadi ngasi ekhoi ming oina palabda oina barun amasung namairapam kanta haiba mairo ani si reject chatriba makhai election tawba yaroi election tawramabadi college asida thokpa afa phatagi daita election pangthoknabo honabada changiba mioising aduna pugadamani.
The Catch Them campaign launched jointly by Impact News, the Pongnofam and the People's Chronicle against the theft of vehicles in Greater Imphal and its adjoining areas has been getting good response from the people who have lost their vehicles. People opine that if police department could work sincerely, incidents of vehicle theft could have been minimized. Kangabam Manohar of Singjamai Thongwangma Ketri Lekai, who lost his Alto LX parked at his gate on adjoining night of October 25 and 26, shared his experience and lamented that the police has not yet taken any concrete step despite reporting the incident.
सरकार के थबा ऑफिस तोलोप चाबगी दमकता थबक तो बोना तोबो दुगा प्राइवेट सुमाइना तोबो कांगु जिना थबक नियम चुम तो कने जाई थाजबा पुलिस आई फजखब डिपार्टमेंट फजखब सर्विस से अमोत पखना लोइन चेंद होय मोना तोबो सियोम जे करा सेमदो हनी दे हुरालेबा मी दु अदुगी दमकता ज नुंगाइ बिदे आदि गाड़ी दो मचा नते उपु मनुंग द सोलोन जला थम याब नते हुराले दुगी ममा मपा मचिमना हुरा मंगातने लोबो यार आदि बुंग नंग तोरिसे कायदि पोनो कइनो हाइबो पोरमा मोइगे दमकता खनबदा नुंगाइ बिदे तसेन.
Now in sports news, the Northeast Zone Interstate Badminton Championship organized by Manipur Badminton Association under the aegis of Badminton Association of India kicked off today at Indoor Stadium DM College campus. 140 shuttlers from Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Sikkim and host Manipur are taking part in the championship. Match between Southern Sporting Union and Young Physic Union Lalambung ended in 1-1 draw in the 10th Manipur State League today. NG Arnold scored the goal for YPHU in the 32nd minute, while Mohammad Sahidur Rahman netted the goal for SSU in the 65th minute of the match from a corner kick. In another match, Nisa Thangwaiban defeated MPSC by 2-0. KH Nauton scored the 2 goals in the 14th and 90+1 minute of the match. AIM Khabam Namkhai will take on FC Zeeland in the first match and ZFC Churchandpur will play USA Kurai in the second match tomorrow. Earlier, Neroka FC Sangapam defeated Trukpu Nambol by 1-0 in the 10th Manipur State League match played in the morning at Bapal Kangjibung. NG Ronald got the breakthrough in the 83rd minute of the match. Klasa Kangkhut Kaino entered into this final of 60th Sir Churchan Singh Ji CSICB League Cum Knockout Open Kang Tournament. Klasa Kangkhut beat NNK Nambol Kangkhut by 25-12 in the semi-final match today. The tournament is organized by Ibudho Moirang Pokpa Development Kang Association under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association at Ibudho Moirang Pokpa Sanglin Laiprakpam Laikai Kakwa. Klasa Kangkhut will play Yai School Kangkhut in the final. Mountain Gym Fitness Center, Thamaiban Hijam Dewan Laikai today felicitated K. Rebita of Bamon Laikai, third position holder of Miss Asia, held at Uzbekistan. Navanita Sharma, women fitness overall champion and silver medalist T.H. Madhuri of 6th Mr. Kanglei Park and medalist and 11th participant of 6th Mr. Kanglei Park. Managing Director, Mountain Gym Fitness Center, Nowrim London presented gifts and wished them luck for the upcoming national and international championship. "100 Hours Assistant Yoga Teachers Camp organized by Bharat Swabhiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti Imphal West District began today at Flas Mandap near Bhaigo Hotel, Wahingbam Laikai. Raja Prabhari of Bharat Swabhiman Trust, T.H. Nilakumar, said the camp is being held in preparation for exam to be conducted by Quality Council of India. 70 participants are taking part in the camp. And now here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. BJP announces Thongam Biswajit as BJP candidate for Thongju and K.H. Joy Kishan for Thangweban by-elections. Khetrigao MLA Amin Shah assured of joining people's hesitation against the closure of Pong Road, says JAC. And Deputy Chief Minister Gai Kangam says the DIPR must precisely inform what government does for the welfare of the people.